Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Last week I received a package from one of my friend. He has his own fruit brand. His products are amazing. Let's see what I've got. My name is also here on the package, which is great. Let me open this. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. Here I have some confection sweetener which is not sugar. You can eat sugar without eating sugar. It is plant powered and has 0 calorie. What else you need? It is keto friendly. Also we have granulated sugar which is superb. Next we have chocolate chip cake mix which looks tempting. So this is gluten free, it has no added sugar. Also people who follow keto diet, this is perfect for them. Let's see what's there on the back of the package. Oh, baking instructions. It has all the information we need. If you eat eggs, follow these instructions, or if you don't eat eggs, you are at the right place. Follow my channel, I'm gonna post eggless recipes from these products. I also have vanilla frosting. People who want to prepare quick and instant frosting, this is perfect for them. The best part about these products are they are sugar-free, gluten-free and keto-friendly. I've also got some chocolate sprinkle frosting. Next, this is my favorite, chocolate cake mix with all the details instructions. I also have orange cranberry loaf premix, which I'm most excited about because this flavor I have never tried ever. I'm definitely gonna try this loaf today. Let me know if you want the eggless recipe of this. I have so many drink mix as well, like peppermint coca, which is my personal favorite, with all the nutrition information on the back of the package. I also have some salted caramel, pumpkin spice, which is my current favorite. I also have some cereals. My husband is excited to eat these cereals. I have blueberry cream, maple brown sugar and strawberry cream. I'm gonna post a link in the description box below. You can buy these products from Amazon. Also check out these website www.HaloHealthyTribes.com for more details. You can also place these orders using this website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.